There's nothing more beautiful when water is intertwined with land.
What I love about Miami is that it's got this ability to kind of morph and move and be fluid.
If you actually looked at a map in Miami and you put your finger right down in the middle of it, you'd probably hit Edgewater.
A one-of-a-kind property deserves a one-of-a-kind brand. Working with a brand like Edition, who creates not only a luxury brand, but a luxury lifestyle. You have to take into account that everything that you're creating has a purpose.
I think that's what I love about this Edition residential project, is that the interiors that we've been asked to create are simple and calm.
Edition has an idea of being timeless, and I think the design reflects that. I think having water on both sides of our building has afforded something very, very rare, and that's a water view from everywhere.
And how it descends to this beautiful 50-foot wide area of landscape and terraces and walkways, it will bring in the tropics to your experience next to the bay.
Edgewater Edition is going to have just unparalleled service that you'd get accustomed to in a hotel, but that is curated especially for its own residences. The quality of the kitchens, the quality of our appliances, certainly the almost 50,000 feet of amenity space.
I think having the residence in Miami as the first standalone residential project is going to be the beacon.
The Edition brand has really worked with us to curate a building that inspires the human spirit.